Hi there! Today is day 4 of my 5 Days of Christmas video series with Marna of Dolls Rescued. We have hailstones today and snow in the forecast. Winter is here. So today's challenge theme is 4 snaps to hold it. Marna and I will make something festive for Blythe using 4 snap fastenings. I looked out some ribbon and decorations and some Christmas fabrics. I'm thinking I'll join them together and make a cute skirt with straps. They're just little fabric samples with Christmas cats on them and these sheer snowflake designs too. I've taken off my Blythe's Christmas jumper and bag while I fit this skirt to her. So I'm going to join the fabric to make a long strip like this with the snowflakes as a lining. I'll gather the waistline and will add suspender straps using this ribbon. Here I've joined each fabric pair separately and now we'll lay them right sides facing before sewing all around the edges, leaving a space to turn it through. Here I've snipped the excess from the corners and will turn it right side out. I'll give it a careful iron so the seams are nice and flat. It's about 26 centimeters long now. And then I'm going to use a long length machine stitch to sew along the waistband, up a bit and along again. Then I'll pull the bobbin threads to gather it up. I'm going to keep the waistband a little loose fitting as I'm hoping she can wear it over the top of her jumper. Here it is. I've pulled the top threads to the back and knotted them together. It has a nice relaxed fit, and now I'm going to sew on 2 of my snap fastenings to secure the skirt. There they are. That's 2 used. And now I'll sew on my ribbon straps. 2 sewn on the back, and their other ends will have snaps to attach to the front. There we go. It makes a kind of double-sided skirt. I've stuck on these pretty snowflakes. The ribbons are super cute, and I added tiny buttons to them as well. Here's how the straps come undone. And the skirt opens at the side, so you could wear it with the green or the black side showing. The sheer snowflakes make a really special lining too. This was a great way to use up these little samples. Here's my lovely Blythe trying it on over her underwear first. It's a lovely length for her and just the right amount of gather in the waist. And yes, it does fit over her jumper. Brilliant. I seem to be building up a whole Christmas outfit, don't I? Well, I'm just delighted. I do hope you're all enjoying our 5 Days of Christmas series. I can't wait to see all of Marna's videos. Oh, and look! I've just had my first Christmas card delivered. And it's from J Dolls UK. Hi Jay! Thank you so much. Well, let's go have a closer look at this skirt then, and think about what we'll make tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Please let us know what you think in the comments, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!